from trouble. Little squat man comes inside Butcher, leads him for dead. Outside Fennick leads him for dead and puts the ball away. And that is why Maradona is the greatest player in the world. He buried the English defence. He picked up that ball 40 yards out.
Kellu 13 sena meta ltaqa' mal-idolu tiegħu u l-eroj tal-Arġentina Diego Armando Maradona. Dan huwa Pablo Doffo li fl-1997 ingħaqad mal-Akkademja tat-tim Arġentin ta' Boca Juniors. Dak iż-żmien Maradona kienet jilgħab mat-tim ta' Boca Juniors u l-coach ta' Doffo kien afżhom li fit-tmiem il-ġimgħa kienu se jkunu ball boys fil-logħba bejn Boca Juniors u Racing Club.
I was 13, I was almost 14 that year. And I remember that our coach came to our room, you know, and he told us that on Sunday we were going to be the ball boy on the game of Boca Juniors versus Racing Club. And we didn't sleep for 2 days, you know. We were thinking the moment that we was going to meet our idol, our legend.
Mana Pablo Doffo iddeskriva l-mument li ltaqa' mal-idolu tiegħu.
Then when he appeared, you know, in the ground, there were like 60,000 people just shouting his name, you know, and I remember like till today that when he came close to us, because we take a picture all together, there was the agreement, because if not, there were 100 people that they want to take just a picture with him. When I have him close to myself, I couldn't believe it.
Il-poplu Arġentin qed jikbit telfa tal-eroj tagħhom. L-awtoritajiet Arġentini ħabbru 3 tiem tal-luttu nazzjonali b'rispett tal dan il-ġgant fid-dinja tal-futbol. Il-ġisem ta' Maradona se jkun qed jitpoġġa f'Kasa Rosada li huwa l-palas tal-President Arġentin sabiex il-poplu jkun jista' jagħti l-aħħar tislima lil dan l-istilla tal-futbol. Pablo Doffo li f'Malta lab ma' bosta klabs Maltin fosthom Hibernians u Floriana għalmana kif meta kien għadu żgħir anke qabel l-esperjenza tiegħu ma' Boca Juniors, Maradona kien fuq form kulħadd. Maradona kien ispirazzjoni għal diversi tfal hekk kif minkejja li kien ġej minn familja fqira, xorta rnexxielu jikseb dan is-suċċess. Doffo qal kif l-aħbar ta' mowtu niktet lill-Arġentini u lid-dinja tal-futbol.
For us today is a very, very sad day because Diego, how we call him, you know, it was an inspiration for all of the Argentinian people. In fact, I spoke to my friends, to my family, and from yesterday, no one sleep, you know, and they are all waiting to say the last goodbye to him.
Il-plejer Arġentin għalmana kif minkejja li Maradona żbalja diversi drabi f'ħajtu huwa xorta se jibqa' magħruf għaliex mat-tim nazzjonali Arġentin kien jagħti kollox u bis-saħħa tek għaqgħad pajjiż.
For us, it was an inspiration in all the sense, and we never judge him as a person, because everyone can do mistakes, and all the mistakes that he did, it was to himself, you know. But when he have the time to represent the country, he always gives his 100%, and we will remember him for that forever.